Hi, my name is Lily Ortiz, and I am a Florida Master Gardener volunteer in Broward County. And I wanted to take a quick minute to let you know what the impact of my training has been as a Master Gardener. So I think that the biggest impact that the training has had on me is that it's really built my relationship skills. And those relationship skills have allowed me to go out into the community and build community and build relationships in community gardens, in school gardens, with other master gardeners, with organizations, with community businesses. And all of those relationships have really helped me be part of an important group of people who are doing good. So if you want to build relationships, get out into the community, do good for our earth, then become a Master Gardener volunteer. It's an awesome way to build relationships and do good.